Hypertension, or high blood pressure, is a prevalent health concern that can lead to serious complications such as heart disease and stroke. While medication and lifestyle changes are often recommended for managing blood pressure, incorporating certain teas into your daily routine may offer a natural and complementary approach. In this video, we will explore 6 teas that have been scientifically linked to lowering blood pressure. 1. Hawthorne Berry Tea. Hawthorne berries have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, particularly for heart-related conditions. Studies have indicated that hawthorne berry tea may have a vasodilatory effect, helping to widen blood vessels and reduce resistance, which can contribute to lower blood pressure. However, individuals taking medication for heart conditions should consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating hawthorne berry tea into their routine. 2. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits, including its positive impact on cardiovascular health. Rich in catechins, green tea has been associated with lower blood pressure levels. A meta-analysis published in the European Journal of Epidemiology suggested that regular consumption of green tea may contribute to a modest reduction in blood pressure. 3. Oolong tea. Oolong tea falls between black and green tea in terms of oxidation, and its unique properties may aid in blood pressure regulation. A study conducted in 2014, published in the Archives of Internal Medicine, found that regular consumption of oolong tea was associated with a lower risk of developing hypertension. 4. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, made from the vibrant red petals of the hibiscus flower, has gained attention for its potential to lower blood pressure. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that daily consumption of hibiscus tea led to a significant decrease in systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The tea is believed to contain antioxidants that contribute to its antihypertensive effects. 5. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea, known for its calming properties, may also have a role in promoting cardiovascular health. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry suggested that chamomile tea consumption was associated with a decrease in systolic blood pressure. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant components in chamomile are believed to contribute to these positive effects. 6. Black tea. While black tea is more oxidized than green tea, it still contains beneficial compounds that may positively impact blood pressure. Research published in the Archives of Internal Medicine found that regular consumption of black tea was associated with lower blood pressure. The presence of polyphenols, such as theaflavins, is thought to contribute to these cardiovascular benefits. While incorporating these teas into your routine may offer potential benefits for blood pressure management, it's essential to remember that individual responses can vary. Consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you are already taking medication for hypertension. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet, remains crucial for overall cardiovascular health.